Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a horizontal waterfall chart in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the chart option. We can see here many charts. Here the waterfall, but this waterfall is not horizontal. Now we go to the bar select and select the bar chart. You can add the clustered bar or the 100% stacked bar. Now I am select this stacked bar, click OK. Then close the Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see we insert the chart. You can edit this, otherwise edit the data. Select the chart and click, go to the chart design menu, select the edit data option. Then we can see here the data. You can edit this. Then close the window. You can add any element or remove the element. Select the chart element option and you can add the element or remove this. Now we can see we insert a chart and edit this very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.